It's really our imagination that's the limitation of what can happen with our platform today. Let's think smarter and do things in a better way and not get stuck with what we used to do.
So at MIPS, we pride ourselves of listening to the partner feedback that we're getting from our ecosystems and the participants that are at MIPS. And we pride ourselves in always improving what we have just done last year and prior years.
How do we build our business? How do we grow outside the boundaries that we've put for ourselves in the past?
It's the culture that we've been building since the beginning with our values, the reliability, the openness, the innovation, and the flexibility and independence.
You know, it's a time to talk about the open platform, to interact with the ecosystem, to be with Milestone, but also it's an industry event.
We've set out to be the most friendly, the most easy, the most fun, and most profitable partner to do business with.
That's all we see before us, is a large marketplace. Look at our eco partners and how those relationships have grown and flourished, and the business that's before us, a lot of opportunity.
This year, where we have 46 exhibitors, we have almost 400 people. Compare that to the 82 that we had the first year. So it's definitely grown in size, and I don't see any reason why it won't continue to grow, because the adaptation of our open platform is getting so proliferated into the market that I don't see anything stopping this.
Well, that open platform is what allows those partners to be here. It's that integration between different vendors and being able to utilize different systems, and that seems to be what Milestone's goal was from day one.
From the partners, from the ecosystems, was giving us the insight of what was really needed. Stop seeing one size fits all and address the needs of the customers, not Milestone's needs, but the customer's needs.
I wanted to be able to set aside time to talk to certain people here about issues that are concern of ours. Lars actually came up to me, thanked me for coming. I took that opportunity to speak to him about some issues directly that I would like to see get addressed. From a customer standpoint, you can't ask for more than that.
It's about strategy, it's about people, and it's about operations. And most of all, I have been working with the people and professionalizing the company. It is choosing the right people, developing these people, and get them to execute well with the strategy that we have put in place.
That's the highlight of the year. It's Milestone's big party. It's our chance to get together with our closest friends, our best partners, our most committed partners.
MIPS is a great venue for Milestone and the whole ecosystem to sync up and connect when we are talking about innovation and developing new concepts.
Quite frankly, there are things that haven't been innovated yet that will be innovated onto our platform that we haven't thought of. Again, it's our imagination that's the limitation of where this is going to go.